guests with warmth and professionalism.
To the Surprises Committee, headed by Madam Venus V. Panganiban and Sir Roberto Pista, we would like to say thank you for adding excitement and joy to our celebration. To the Raffle Draws and Door Prizes Committee, chaired by Madam Susana E. Dalope, Sir Rexmel F. Reyes, and all the PSPTA officers and Santa Barbara 2 school heads, thank you for preparing the giveaways that make this event even more memorable.
And of course, to our songs, dances, and sounds committee, chaired by Mr. Ruben Bautista, together with Dr. Maria Teresa Esakino, Madam Eva E. Paeste, Dr. Elvira C. Honrado, Dr. Jean M. Esmael, Madam Ria May R. Nicha, and the rest of the team. Thank you for providing the heart, rhythm, and energy of tonight's event. And of course, to all committees, your passion and teamwork brought this event to life. Tonight is a celebration made possible because of you.
So let's enjoy the rest of the night, everyone. That's for all. So while waiting for our other guests and other personnel from the Department of Education, the night is ours. Let's enjoy the night, everyone, and welcome to Educators Night 2025. Everybody, let's dance, everyone. Let's enjoy the night. Sa mga parating pa lang po, we remind you to please register your name for you to be qualified in our raffle draw later on. Thank you so much. Rendering the safety and security of this area. So our PNP Santa Barbara is headed by our Police Lieutenant Colonel Michael.
Requested by Sir Fermin Bigocheres Jr., Sir Manny, we need your help for our photo. Thank you.